Today we are going to fix one of the most annoying features of modern cars. Stick around. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the garage. It has been, I don't even know how many months since we've been out here working on a car. It's been a busy summer so far. Just got back from vacation, but we also got a new car. We got rid of the Prius, traded it in for an Audi Q5, needed something a little bigger, a little more capable, and a little more reliable after all that stuff with the Prius head gasket and those failures. Just kind of wanted to get that thing out of here while it was still running well. So I traded it in, got a used Q5, and it's a great car. And immediately, one of the most annoying features of most modern cars was, of course, included in this one. It is the auto start stop when you're sitting at a stoplight or wherever where the engine just shuts off and then it turns back on. I don't know if it actually causes any excessive wear. I feel like it would, and just in my mind, it does. And I hate it. So in that car and a lot of other new cars, the feature is automatically on when you turn the car on, and there's no way to permanently disable it. I found this cheap little, I think it was $26 kit on Amazon that's just a new connector between the switch and the car that reverses the position of the switch, so when you turn the vehicle on, it is just automatically off. And it came with these two little tools. You just pop out the dash panel, put this connector in there, and that's it. Super easy. Took me, I think, 5 minutes-ish. So this is a quick video of that. If you have one of these cars, or I assume many other Audis probably have this also, it's an easy fix. Highly recommend it. Works no problem. So check it out. We are in the new Q5, and I'm going to try to install this little cheapo switch converter. I don't even know what I would call it, for the auto start stop feature that is always on. When you turn the car on, you have to turn it off every time you turn the car on. I hate that feature. It's awful. So I'm going to see if I can do this without looking up the instructions on Amazon. All that came with this little thing was the connector adapter itself, these two little pieces. What you got to do is get up underneath here. There are two little slots. Got to pop that panel off, disconnect the switch, put this between the switch and the connector to the car, and then hopefully that actually works. So let's see if I can figure this out. All right. Don't know if these go with the hook in or out. So let's find out here. Doesn't feel like that's doing anything. So let's try it the other way. Ooh, there we go. That did something. There we go. Oh, that was easy. Just had to wiggle around a little bit. Okay. So you can see the connector here. I'd like to pull this out more. Don't want to hurt the poor thing. It's fragile. Fairly fragile plastic that I do not want to break. I don't think Mrs. Yoder would be happy with her fancy new car if I just started breaking shit. There we go. Okay. When you insert this, the teeth face in. It hits the clip inside. Probably have to wiggle a little bit. Then it clips. It pulls this in, which is the catch inside the dash. And then it just releases and pulls out. And then when you want to take the little tool out, you squeeze that clip and it just releases. Pretty simple little operation. So let's see here. This should only be able to go in one way. Clips in there pretty easily. Back in there. So now let's start the car, see what happens. Shut this door. Calm down. Great. All right. You can see the default now is that the switch, the red light means that it is deactivated. So it worked. That was super, super simple. Now all we have to do, I'll put this back down here, is just slide this thing back into the dash. And you never know it even happened. That is awesome. That is such a simple fix. Highly recommend. I think that thing was 26 bucks on Amazon. I will put a link to that. Not sponsored in any way, but that is so simple and easy. So, easy fix, awesome. Don't appear to be any warning lights or anything saying that it's confused. That's great. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope that was informative. And if you have one of these cars, know that it's very easy to put this adapter on there and just change that very annoying, at least to me, very annoying feature. Hope that was helpful, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks.